skimp out on washers. Let's see. Alright. Hey everyone, this is Saul Castañeda at MCSC here at Green Wheels in Chicago. Today, we're going to give you a little talk on this AJE K-member we picked up. This will be the second one we installed. We installed the first one on our 1993 Ford Mustang GT that we call Sergeant Reckless, which is sitting in there now. And this will be going into our 1993 LX Coupe that we call the GRUNT. Basic thing, it's solid, nice tubular design. You know, sturdier, lighter, and with this you avoid from cutting and dismantling and disfiguring the original crossmember. Not that it really matters, but with that, if you don't use this setup, you'll end up having to cut off in the original this whole section in order to let the header pipes come down this way. So with it, we just open it up and just kind of want to go through the hardware, make sure all your pieces are here. We kind of spread out all our bolts, nuts, washers. These are our rack and pinion bushings, polyurethane. And then we'll get your lower control arms, you know, nice solid tubular control arms. You have a Zerk fitting at the bottom, and then they come equipped with their Zerk fitting and cotter key. We also separated all the bolts down here. Getting this bad boy ready and set up, we're going to put in our rack and pinion. We're going to set up our lower control arms. This guy will have a SN95 spindle. We will be doing the new brake works. We're going to get to assemble the Cobra calipers and everything that we just had powder coated. Stay tuned, check it out. Well, big bolts here. I guess we'll figure out where they go to. And then at least we gotta give this a little touch of. I'm guessing these little guys. These guys go on there. And I'll start to install these in a minute. Alright, let's get this guy back up this way. So basically here we're catching up on what we finished up with our 03 Cobra IRS rear end. We put all the internals back in here, the 8.8 with the 327 gear. We got our new, well not new, we refurbished our shafts, as you could tell. We got all the new bushings, all the new I wouldn't say bolts, the bolts are just cleaned up. We're using them again. A lot of the stuff you have to reuse. We are replacing the tie rod ends from the original stuff. It looks like this. As you can tell, it's not beat up, but you know, for what we're doing and what we're going to use it for, we bumped up to the Maximum Motorsports tie rod end setup adjustable. Put it down here. I mean, we'll go through that. this guy do it, man. Yep. Simple as that. Our front K-member setup. SN95 spindle. Sexy.
Yeah. I wasn't going to let the ratchet at first, but now.
And then
Clear in that.
yeah, it's just coated clear. That's gonna be the look there.
You should have, I mean, you should disconnect it from the
That way he doesn't get banged up. But he's ready to rock and roll.
If we bring him more down, we're gonna